Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode, and today's vlog I'm going to bring you guys along with me. We are dropping by Sancho Papa's house. Not his house. We're dropping by his shop. We're checking out RIF Manila and Secret Fresh Gallery. We're going sneaker shopping. So make sure you stick around, watch until the end. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are about to draw the winners for some of our giveaways. We're giving away a Realme 7 Pro smartphone, 3 Off-White face masks, as well as Travis Scott Astro World. I was about to say Astrovision na naman. Towel courtesy of Cop Garden. The Off-White masks and the towel will be drawn on October 15. So make sure that you guys subscribe now and then click the links in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck! For those who don't know, RIF Manila is a sneaker reseller shop in front of Secret Fresh, which is of course the house or the art gallery of Sancho Papa DJ Big Boy Cheng. So first up, they did have the new Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Carbon. So this is in the black upper with the white cream midsole. So and the stripe is also on a lighter shade. And what's interesting about this particular Yeezy is that it comes with extra laces. So they actually implemented the bungee cord type of lacing wherein you don't have to tie them up anymore, which is the default laces that you have with the pair. And then you can actually swap it out for the normal laces if you decide to. This one sells, I think, for around 17 to 18,000 pesos over at RIF Manila, again at Secret Fresh Art Gallery here in the Philippines. So that's the first shoe. We have the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Carbon. Now the next two sneakers, I do not know the name nor do I know the prices, but they were just crazy and I just wanted to get them on video. I think, I'm not too sure, but maybe they are from Clark's, which is like a formal shoe brand. And this one looks like some sort of moccasin or, I don't know, chukka boot. It says Manhunt at the toe box. It has like a desert or a woodland camo vibe along the side panels of the shoe. And it has like that trail Yeezy Slide kind of shark teeth for the midsole. It came in two colors that I saw, but again, I honestly don't know what it's called nor the price, but they were interesting, they were unique and fascinating, so I just had to put it here on the channel. Now the next sneaker that caught my attention was of course the new Off-White rubber dunks. So this hasn't released locally yet, nor do I think it will, but if ever it does, I would definitely want to get one. Now over at RIF Manila, they already had it in the green and black color, which was the colorway that was leaked online when it first came out. Again, this was supposed to be released for Japan in time for the Tokyo Olympics. Rubber upper, bright contrast with the green swoosh along the sides and the green midsole, green-black midsole. Looked really nice and much more awesome in person and in hand than in the photos. Off-White rubber dunks in black and green sell for around 20,000 pesos, again over at RIF Manila Secret Fresh. Moving on, we have the Jordan 4 Sail of White. So this is for the ladies, which is of course in that plain light brown beige cream color. So this one has Air written on the bottom and it just looks really dope. And I'm still hoping that Virgil releases this in men's sizes because sadly I can't find any men's size 13 for this. Because for me to get men's size 13, it needs to be women's size 14.5, I think. But yeah, crazy price on this one. Apparently it's selling now for around 70 to 80,000 pesos. The next sneaker is not a stranger to any sneakerhead. It is of course the Chunky Dunkies. We have the Ben & Jerry's Dunks. And my question I'd like to throw at you guys is that would you consider it sneaker of the year? Because I was having a discussion with Nico and a bunch of the other guys over at RIF Manila. And we were talking about the possibility of it beating the Jordan 1 as the sneaker of the year for 2020. I mean, I honestly haven't made up my mind yet on what my pick is for sneaker of the year, but I can say that this is a strong contender. So what do you guys think? Do you think that the Ben & Jerry's Chunky Dunkies can be considered sneaker of the year? Is it better than the Dior Air Jordan 1? Is it better than all the other sneakers that came out in 2020? Let me know your thoughts. Would love to hear from you in the comment section. Sound out and let us know if you feel that this is a contender, if you feel that this is it. If not, what sneaker do you feel is the sneaker of the year. Now, speaking of dunks, another contender I feel, based on the look, the vibe, and the hype behind it, is of course the Travis Scott dunks. And this one, I featured it on the channel before. I think they're selling it, I forgot to ask the price. I think a little over 100,000 pesos already for this pair, maybe less than that. So please just check with RIF Manila. I wasn't able to double check. But man, this one just looks really crazy. I love the earth tones. I love the fact that you can wear it in any outfit. It can be muted, it can be hyped. It's just easy to wear, earth toned, complex, and when you look at it, you see all the fine details. Sobrang panalo talaga. One of Travis' best works, in my opinion. Travis Scott dunks. So check that out over at RIF Manila. Now, I also saw both the Union Jordan 4s, the Noir, as well as the Guava Ice color. Now, I wasn't able to check the prices on them anymore, but if you are curious, just send a message over to RIF Manila on their Instagram account, or check out their feed. The prices are there anyway. But again, both of them are available, Noir and the Guava. Like what I mentioned in the past, I actually am leaning towards, if I were to buy one, I'm not buying one, but if I were to buy one, I would go for the Guava over the Noir, just because it just looks so much more, I don't know, like different and unique versus the black one that we have with the Noir. There were also the two other Union sneakers, the Union Jordan pairs. I don't know their names, nor do I know their prices, and I suck at this sneaker shopping thing for today. I was just so fascinated with them, I wasn't able anymore to ask the prices. Resembled like the Guava in terms of color, had a nice blue swoosh, shades of red and accents of red in different parts of the shoe, yellowish cream midsole, look really dope. That one looked really nice. And there was also like some sort of like black version. I'm not sure if it's the same shoe, probably different. But again, it's consistent with the colorways that you see with the J4s. Both of them sitting on shelves over at RIF Manila. They also had the Girls Don't Cry dunks. This one is in the red color, Girls Don't Cry written along the side. They were selling it for around 60,000 pesos. That's roughly 1,200 USD. Nike at the back, Girls Don't Cry along the side, some sort of butterfly at the tongue tab, bright red color, really popping, loud pair of shoes that you might want to consider as well. Little over 60,000. Off-White fans, they did have a size 11.5 of the Nike Off-White, what do you call this, MCA Air Force Ones. So this is one of my favorite shoes. Still have my pair over here. They were selling it for 120,000 pesos. It's a little over 2,000 US. So if you are in the market for one, it is kind of hard to get sitting over at RIF Manila. Now, apart from the shoes that I just mentioned, of course, you have a variety of other shoes, from Jordans to Off-Whites to more Yeezys to more dunks. I would strongly recommend that you guys check out the Instagram account of RIF Manila. They usually post on IG stories what stocks that they have. But those were the sneakers that caught my attention. For the other shoes, check their IG, it should be listed there. Now, I actually ended up buying a pair of shoes, but I will be doing the unboxing and the review of this pair in another episode. But take a guess, what sneaker did I buy? What shoe is this? Is it the Off-White dunks? Is it any of the dunks that I showed? Is it the Yeezy Carbon Black? That one looked really promising, right? So take a guess what this sneaker is. I will be unboxing it in an upcoming episode, unboxing and on-feet review. So abangan nyo yan. But let me know what you think I ended up buying. Would love to hear your guesses. And with that said, we wrap up today's episode. I hope you guys are all doing good. I hope you're all positive with life, negative with COVID. And I pray that you all have an amazing, restful, and meaningful weekend coming up soon. Hindi pa naman kasi Wednesday pa lang, but coming soon, okay? And that's it now for now. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.